Ceremony of Mir Aliwa Public School, Merzgon, where the respected guests Mr. Gunnar, Mr. Silent and Mr. Jean come from Norway to join the opening ceremony. Mr. Jean opened the new building. They visited the classroom of Campus 2. After visiting the classroom, the ceremony of new building started with zeal and zest. Let's start the opening ceremony.
चल गाजी मायूले दाम दाम यहाँ तो आप शाम तो है सही तरह It's a short time duration, so we can't do that. No. But hopefully from next time we will put all the. जगह खाली बस कितना? Yes. Okay.
बस्ती से बुलंदी की तरफ परवास करती हूँ, मैं बस्ती से बुलंदी की तरफ परवास करती हूँ, मैं बिस्मिल्लाह से इस तकरीब का आगाज करती हूँ. Brilliant performance. Today is a great day for us. That Mr. Silent and team who is donating us build a new building. Now I am going to start the ceremony in the name of Allah Almighty. In the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. Mr. Gunnar, Mr. Jeans, Assistant Commissioner Mashabrook, SDA Award Mr. Silent. He started scholarship program in 2021 and now 13 of students are studying. Most reputed school, colleges, universities through this program.
As you know, from 2018,
our beloved donor, Mr. Sealand, and his whole team from Norway supporting our school. When we are facing lot of difficulties, this person support us. So salute to him and his whole team.
सहमदात अमुला लाख लाख शुक्र बसे दामत बिन अल्लाह ताला ने दे सहमुना सहमा आइमनी नजर करम में चिराग को मती का भूख बना तो अकल को अल्लाह और रसूल लोग ने दे सहमत की जी झंडी फलक को दाएं बाएं सब सितारे पिंजू हर लफ्ज़ के हर लफ्ज़ सहमत जी नजर बसे
Sigurd and Jens, that they came all the way from Norway. They are coming again and again. We are so much delighted and happy.
My father said that son, you have to go to Skardu for better education, because there is no any school available in this village nor in this valley. I said okay. Unfortunately, I said okay, because without mother, without other relatives, quite difficult to study there in Skardu. But my father forced me and take me to Skardu. I remained there and studied there up to 12. And then I take education from engineering university and graduated.
तो और इसमें यहाँ के इस स्कूल को कायम करने के सिलसिले में आपके ये जाफर कहाँ है? उठो यार, इसका भी बड़ा हाथ है, क्योंकि ये कायम हुआ इसकी वजह से, क्योंकि ये इनके साथ जाता था, काम करता था, और इन्होंने पूछा कि यार तुम वो उससे बहुत खुश थे जाफर से, और कहा कि भाई तुम्हारे गांव में क्या करना चाहिए? तो उसने कहा कि हमारे वहाँ जो है, पहले तो उसने गाड़ी का वो किया कि भाई हमारे कहा कि हमारे वहाँ एक स्कूल भी है, अगर उसको कर दिया। फिर इन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि भाई आप इस बारे में क्या कहते हैं? तो मुझे पता था, हाजी मोहम्मद से मेरी पहले से वाक़ियत थी। एक स्कूल इसने शुरू किया हुआ था उस ज़माने में, वो बंद होने को तैयार था, उसके पास फंडिंग की कमी थी। तो मैंने कहा कि इसने कहा कि ये आप हमारे लिए तो मैंने इनको लिखा कि एक ऐसा स्कूल चल रहा है जो बिल्कुल बंद होने वाला है, अब उसके लिए कोई फंडिंग करने वाला नहीं है, तो अगर आप उसके लिए कुछ न कुछ इमदाद दे दें तो वो स्कूल चल जाए तो बेहतर रहेगा।
Thank you for coming here and greet us. We are very honored that all of you came here today. And it has been amazing to meet you all, and thank you for all the nice words you have said to us. I'm very also today because they are the one that will support their kids, tell them how important it is, because it's very important to have a good education. I'm very proud of my son, which is have the initiative here, and I support him very much, and will let him talk to you also later. Thank you for coming, thank you for the hospitality, and all the others that has contributed to the success of the school, because it is teamwork. Some do something, someone else do something other, and together we are stronger, and that's how we should continue as well. Good luck for the future, and me and Jens say thank you to all of you, Just a little bit about the story, why we are here. The first time I came to Pakistan, almost 25 years ago, I came as a climber and went on climbing expeditions. On these expeditions, we have so much help from the local people, being porters, the guide bureau who helps us with everything. And I kept coming back many times. And in 2009, I came back with my wife and 2 other friends. And we had Jafar as our cook on this expedition. And he became a very good friend. And at the end of the expedition, he took us to this village, showed us his village, and then we started to have an idea to bring something back to the people, the good people of Pakistan, and especially Masigona. So a very special thanks to Jafar. And in the beginning, I had a lot of help from Ghulam as well. We could support the Masigona, and through Ghulam we had a safe person to help to get the money down to the right people. Over the years, this project has evolved, and we, together with local helpers, Suhail and his partner, and now all the people who have built this new school, and the students who have gone to this school, and the numbers is increasing and it's increasing. It's so good to see all of you here. And like my father said, all the grown-ups, parents, all the older people in the city or in the village that support everything, it's very important for us to see all of you here. And it's amazing that a few years ago we was able to, again together with Suhail and the other helpers, we started this scholarship program, and 14 students are now in Skade studying. And this we have the first, or you have the first student coming from Masigona going to the university. And hopefully there will be more of you taking higher education and ending up in the university. Maybe coming back to the village and educate even more people. Everyone who helps us to do this. Without you, we couldn't do anything. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching the ceremony of new building of Mir Aliwa Public School, Marzigun. Please follow the page, like, share.